Welcome to another Vahrenberg Implement informational series video, and today we're here with the ALO Quicke 185 MPU multi-purpose utility bucket. This is a 4-in-1 bucket. Besides the traditional bucket like that you've got, this bucket has hydraulics on it. It utilizes third function, as we're showing here on this 1760M Massey Ferguson. We've added a third function kit to it. It allows us to use a solenoid third function to divert the oil from the tilt cylinders to the third function option, and we'll show you that. This one is available in the skid steer quick attach version, and there's also buckets available in the Euro quick attach. ALO Quicke makes several different buckets from the utility class all the way up to our high horsepower tractors with multi-purpose buckets. One of the great features of this is this bucket is allowed to open up to scoop material, use it as a dozer blade, use it as a grab force, and we'll show you that in this series of videos of all the features and functions of the 185 MPU. First thing we're going to do is with the solenoid third function on the Massey Ferguson tractor, it adds this joystick with the electric diverter valve. You push this button and go side to side, will open and close your third function implement. So what we're going to do is we're just going to raise it up. We're going to push our solenoid button and go side to side. That opens, that closes. Open, closes. Now you can open. As soon as you release that button, it'll allow you to tilt and dump. You can leave one of the things with the 4-in-1 bucket, you can leave it open. Just put it down, put it in float position, and you've still got a dozer blade. You've got a dozer blade that you can doze. You can use the solenoid third function to close the door and collect that material. Or you can turn it over and use it for a back drag, like we're doing here. We're back dragging with it. You can still turn it back up. You pull it all the way back, you've got a traditional bucket. So you can use it just like a normal bucket. You can dig material. You can also raise it. And if you'll notice here, instead of dumping the material out the front, you can control the material by opening the door, and the material is going to fall out the bottom. So there's multiple ways to use this 4-in-1 bucket on your operation. It's got a lot of features, a lot of functions. It takes your normal tractor loader to a whole new level of versatility and usability. We're going to come in here and pick up those timbers there, and what we'll need to do is we're going to raise our loader up, push our button, open our joystick. We're going to tilt the bucket down, tilt it forward by removing our finger, set it down, and then we're going to activate and start closing our stuff as we go in and pick up those two timbers. You can do both functions just by pushing the trigger on and off. It's simple, it's easy. It's a Massey Ferguson. It's the third function kit from Massey Ferguson that allows you to do multiple functions with a single joystick, raise and lower, and your tilt and dump features, and then third function by pushing that trigger. I hope that helped you learn a little bit more about the third function and a 4-in-1 multi-purpose bucket like this ALO Quicke 185 MPU. It allows you to do a lot more with your loader and your loader bucket. Instead of buying a bucket, you can buy a 4-in-1 bucket, and you can get multiple functions. You got 3 cutting edges, a forward, reverse, and a front edge here to do multiple things like we showed: dozing, back dragging, dumping material. I mean, there's a lot of things you can do with this, plus the grabbing ability, so you can pick up those logs and limbs and stuff out on your farm. Thank you for tuning in to another Vahrenberg Implement product informational series video. We've got the new Massey Ferguson 1700 M Series Premium Compact attached with the ALO Quicke implements. If you're in West Central Missouri, come visit us at 13 Highway and Fairground Avenue, or Business Route 13. We're just 4 miles north of Interstate 70. We're your Massey Ferguson and AGCO Massey Ferguson dealer. We also sell Heston Series hay tools, Rhino Ag products, and ALO Quicke loaders and accessories. Visit your local ALO Quicke dealer to learn more about the great implements available to you. And if you're in West Central Missouri, come visit us at Vahrenberg Implement. We got a lot of Massey Fergusons to show you too.